In this exercise, we will start with this sketch right here, and we will end up with this illustration. File, place as usual, exercise 9, and we're gonna start drawing. Okay, first shape we need to draw is the star. For that, we need this tool right here, the star tool, and I'm going to show you a few tricks. If I click and drag, I'm gonna delete. I'm gonna make the stroke. I'm gonna change the color to let's say blue. If I click and drag, I get a star just like that. If I press the up arrow similar to the polygon tool, see what happens. Now the star has more hands. If I press the down arrow, see what happens. I can get down to 3 and get this shape. Up arrow once, twice. I need a 5 hand star just like that. Another thing I want to show you, if I drag it like this, I make it bigger. If I drag it like this, I make it smaller. If I press Control and then drag, look what happens. The hands get taller. I can make a star with long hands or short hands. I can modify the length of the hands just like that. Once I'm satisfied with the length, I can let go of Control and continue building my star just like that. If I press Shift, the star stays like this and it doesn't rotate. And if I press space, I can move it wherever I want. I'm gonna delete this. I'm gonna put the point in the middle and start building a star. I'm gonna press Shift to avoid any kind of rotation. I'm gonna press Control and make the hands shorter just like that. I think this is very similar to the sketch. And I let go. It's not exactly like the sketch, but it's close enough. I'm gonna turn this blue to none, and I'm going to increase the stroke from 1 to 10 just to see it better. I'm gonna zoom, ellipse tool. I'm gonna choose the ellipse tool, and I'm going to draw the eyes just like that, and another eye here. I'm gonna zoom some more, draw something like that. I'm gonna flip, swap the fill and the stroke, and with the selection tool press Alt and duplicate. Just like that. I can increase the size of the stroke from 10 to 5. I'm gonna build some lines. Gonna build small line here, small line here, small line here, small line here. Direct selection tool. I'm going to select these 2 points and join them together using Control G, just like that. I'm gonna add a line here and a line here. V. I'm gonna press V, selection tool, select both, and increase the size to, let's say, 20. I think this is big enough. I'm gonna continue drawing. Okay, now we're gonna need to draw the shorts. First of all, I'm gonna color this. I'm gonna start coloring the eyes first with the color white. I'm gonna select this star right here, and I need a pink color. I can't really find a pink color here. I'm gonna choose this shade of pink, and then I'm gonna double click here in this box, the color box, and I'm gonna press right here the S, and I'm gonna choose a lighter shade. I think this is good, and then press OK. I think this looks good. Okay, now I'm gonna select my pink star, edit, copy, edit, paste in place. Now we have two stars on top of each other. I'm gonna select this, turn it to what's the color? Green. Yes, it's a light green. Gonna choose this color, and now a new tool, the eraser tool. We press and maintain and choose the scissors tool, and I'm gonna show you what this does. I'm gonna click on this point right here and this point right here, and now press V, selection tool, and as you can see, now you can divide them. Now there are two shapes. Used to be one shape. Now with the scissors tool we cut them off. I can select this shape, this part, and delete it. I no longer need it. Select this part right here. I'm gonna use another tool, which is this tool, the knife, and I'm gonna cut a part just like that, and drawing another line here. And now selection tool, I can delete this and delete this, and now we have shorts. I'm gonna select all this. I'm gonna hide them for the moment, just hide selections, and I'm going to draw these stars, and then I will bring what I drew back. Okay, go back to the star tool. Gonna build a star like that. Down arrow. Now we have a star shaped like this, and I think this looks good. What's the color of the star? It's purple. Choose the purple color here. V, selection tool, and duplicate this here. I can maybe make it smaller. Duplicate this here using Alt. Just like that. Now I can bring back what I drew earlier. Object, show all. One last thing I'm gonna do, I'm gonna draw a background. Rectangle. I'm gonna draw a rectangle like that, and choose the color blue, this shade of blue. Right click, arrange, and send to back. The exercise now is finished. You go do the same, and don't forget to save.